Vande Mataram has been a tribute for a long, long time, and I think that it's a fabulous, fabulous composition. I had heard Rahman Saab's version of Vande Mataram some time ago, like a few years ago, and I always thought that someday, whenever I feel like doing a version of Vande Mataram, I would love to do something on similar lines. However, I took it a little further. I have made a lot of different chord changes in it. It's slightly more symphonic. When you hear it, you will know. अच्छा ऐसा करना है? It has a bit of a symphonic feel to it. The chord changes, even the way the song resolves is very, very interesting. Vande Mataram in the beginning, in the video, is much different because it's performed on 3 different instruments. Here I'm going to be playing 2 of them. Soprano saxophone, which starts the track, and then the band follows with me. I sing the song, and I actually end the track on a high with the entire band going nuts, playing the alto saxophone, which is a fabulous sounding instrument, and it gives it, these are all jazz instruments, so it gives it a bit of a wind symphony kind of a feel. And Bevan is doing his bit to ensure that the chord changes and the vocal harmonization happens at its best. I hope you enjoy this. This is Vande Mataram.
पुलकित यामिनी, फुल्ल कुसुमित